Bike reveal on Powamoto. Go! Powamoto! Race bike from Powamoto!
Stay tuned to the end to watch the full crash at 115 miles an hour on Death Wobble, only on Powamoto.
You saved me, Joe Rocket. Scorpion, #1. Scorpion helmet's #1. Look at that padding. Look at that damage, baby.
Here's the bike. She gave such great service. Unfortunately, I had a death wobble. Click up here to see that video. All the parts came off on the death wobble. And, you know, she got a little scratch right here. And we were going kind of fast. So, you know what? The frame's still in good shape. We inspected the frame. It's not cracked or broken. We inspected the forks. They're not bent. So really, it was just plastic damage and, you know, some ends and, you know, a new foot peg definitely. And, you know, high speed, baby. High speed. That's what we're doing on Powamoto. But now that she's served her time, she need to be fixed up. Let me show you what I got for this Ninja on
all this shit has changed. So, I mean, you got red, you got black, blue.
What color? What color?
Now, you got to realize the gas tank does not get changed. The gas tank is black, correct?
Right.
I would just go with a fucking black kit. Then
right.
You're gonna drive yourself crazy for.
Unless you do green. Never give up on your dreams, guys. This was a long time coming. But it's under construction. And the plastics are on the way. Oh my God. Are you kidding me right now? These are the parts for the Ninja. Look at that. Look at those parts. Okay. Okay, here we go. Official unboxing on Powamoto. Oh man. Oh. One hand. Oh. Sky Champion on Powamoto. He's buying parts. He's fixing bikes. He's filming stunters, and he's getting the models. Subscribe today. Appreciate you guys subscribing. Hope you're having a great day. Me, I'm totally blessed. I'm excited as heck. I'm excited as heck. Oh, man. Stop playing with me. Oh, man. Stop playing with me. Oh, man. Stop playing. Ah, looky, looky, looky. Looky, 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 it's a little taste of what's coming. Looky, looky, taste of what I'm working on. Looky, looky, I like it on Powamoto. Subscribe today.
Mama, somebody got me the bag.
Yeah! It's Powamoto! Wait, baby, wait, baby, wait. It's so pretty. I gotta get a good shot. Tell them, now sit on this bike, baby! What? I got the shot. Lean forward, lean forward. Lean forward. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Kiss this right here. Kiss it right there. Kissy kiss. Yeah! Yeah, Powamoto! All right, I love you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that playlist, support this channel, fam, and I see you on the next one. If you like this video, check out one of these 2 other similar videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out!